Ready? Rolling? Okay. Reshma, ready?
Yes, ready.
How did you first meet?
Okay. So it was a dating app where we met. So it was Hinge and we met there. And officially, physically, we met at the Kineshwar temple with my mom, with me. So that was our first meetup.
Basically, she is very organized, which I'm not. আর সেকেন্ড থিং হচ্ছে যে ও খুবই জিনিসপত্রকে টাইম টাইম টু টাইম বেসিক্যালি শি হ্যাজ এ ভেরি টাইম ম্যানেজমেন্ট থিং ইন লাইফ উইচ আমার সেটা একদমই নেই ঠিক আছে অন দ্য ভেরি other notes আছে but and the third thing is that she is very like খুবই lovable and she can মানে ওর অরাটাই এমন আছে যে she can gel up with the environment, with the people around her.
Most annoying but cute. I guess he sleeps a lot. Like he loves sleeping, but when he sleeps, I find him cute. Like he just forgets everything. Like ওই হয় না যে সব কিছু ভুলে গিয়ে মানে একটা চেন কি নিন, he does that, and he looks very cute. I don't want to wake him up at that time, and I think that's the cutest part about him.
Another but cute habit is that whenever I sleep, okay, she has to wake me up. I don't know how, but I felt a little আমার লাগে যে একটু annoying, but very cute, like cute just that she always wakes me up whenever she wants, not whenever I want.
He's very caring, too much caring. He is a bit lazy, not a bit very lazy, but he's also responsible enough, and he's very respectful towards all age, like towards me, towards my parents, towards elders, towards younger, everyone. He's very respectful, but he's a bit lazy.
My reaction was like I was asking myself that আমি কি সেটা পারবো করতে, আমি কি সবগুলো মেনটেন করতে পারবো সব জিনিসগুলো নো I made her believe that we can do this, okay, both, that we can, if we can support each other mentally and we do things together, then of course things will get along.
আমি প্রিপেয়ার্ড ছিলাম না বিয়ের জন্য. It was our family who got involved before us knowing. So yes, আমাদের family involved হওয়ার পরে we discovered ourselves more, and when I found out that yes, Lakshmi is ready to getting married with me and I'm also taking that step ahead. So our decision was itself very smooth, very go with the flow. We didn't have to like convince anyone, we didn't have to force anyone. Like both the families were into it, and it's like it was made to happen.
She has changed a lot of things like the moment she arrives. So I was struggling that time, okay, but যখন ও এসছে আমার লাইফে and she made me realize the things which I should move forward with in life, because that will help me to grow. So ওই কারণেই এখন like she had a very important role আমার লাইফে, যে যখন এসছে আর যখন ও পুরো জিনিসটা নিয়ে দেখেছে আমার মধ্যে, and she figures that out by herself, and then ও আস্তে আস্তে আমাকে বোঝানোর চেষ্টা করেছে, no, this is things you need to do. So she has a really great impact in my life, and I'm really thankful to God that she has accepted me the way I am right now, and that's how it is love. So all the best to us, and will definitely take this journey to the next level.
Let me change my life. So I was a bit miserable in my past because of lot of things happening. I take lot of responsibilities and everything. So আমি লাইফে খুব নিজের মধ্যে খুব ওয়ার্ক রিলেটেড ছিলাম. So there was no one, obviously parents are there, but there's no one to take care of me like as a loving partner. So when Lakhbir came in, he was like, he took care of me and he changed my life. He made me realize that ঠিক আছে নিজের জন্য টাইম দেওয়া উচিত, নিজেকেও ভালোবাসা উচিত, অ্যান্ড সেই জায়গাটা হি ফিল্ড অ্যান্ড অনেক জিনিস আই ওয়াজ নেগলেক্টিং মাইসেলফ, বাট ওই জায়গাগুলো লাকবির কেম অ্যান্ড মেড মি রিয়েলাইজ দ্যাট ইয়েস আই ডিজার্ভ লাভ, I deserve happiness, and I deserve caring. So definitely he was there throughout.
Okay, who's more likely to forget an important date?
সেটা হচ্ছে আমি, ঠিক আছে, ও কোনোদিনও কিছু ভোলে না, বাট আই ফরগেট ডেটস, আমি ভুলে যাই ডেটসগুলো। আমি তো ইভেন কি ইম্পর্টেন্ট ডেটসগুলো ভুলে যাই, লাইক অ্যানিভার্সারি, বার্থডেজ, বাট শি রিমেম্বার্স